Okay, so very quick update back in the garage of dreams. So in the last video I sprayed the cage. Yeah, I was really happy with it. I spoke to the company that supplied the paint, Paints for You. Sent them a little link to the video, and they were really grateful for the little plug. And they mentioned, have I tried this high resistance or something 2K top coat lacquer, which is this stuff? I said no, as they basically sent me 2 tins out at a good price. So I've given that a go, and I'm absolutely blown away again. It's a strange can. Don't you see at the bottom? You've got like, you have to pull that little lever out, twist it round, and it allows an activator to mix with the lacquer inside here, and it's basically the same as spraying out of a normal gun, but so the finish is a lot stronger. So I ripped all that PPF off that I applied, and well, you have a look yourselves. The shine I've got off it now is just bonkers. Got a really nice finish to that now. It looks like it's been sprayed with the proper gun. And it's proper solid. Don't know how many times I can say proper, but. So when I had the PPF here, what I've done is I've removed it all, and I've spoken to a local detailing company called Wizards. They're quite well known around here, and they specialise in applying PPF to cars, you know, to stop stone chips and what have you. It's run by a chap called Jason Byrne. I'll leave a link in the description. So I spoke to him, you know, reached out to him on Facebook, and I just said, listen, I've had a go of applying it to myself, and it didn't look very good, basically. And especially now I've done the paint job like this with that top coat, it just looks too good to then ruin it with a poorly applied protective tape. So he's on his way, or I think one of his lads is on his way round here now to apply it properly. It's not cheap by any shape or form, but I'm hoping that the quality of the finish will be worth the money, and it'll just finish off the cage. So I think I'm just going to apply it on these bars, the bars there where you're going to have your harnesses, and just these top bars, just where your helmet's going to go. So you know it's dead easy to scratch it. So it's next to nothing really, but I just don't want to start chipping the paint job. So I'm just going to sit tight now, go and get myself a brew, and just wait for them to turn up. So I'll be reporting back shortly. Stay tuned. Okay, so Mark from Wizards has just turned up. He's got all the gear out. Just explained to me that the PPF is not like your normal eBay stuff. It's what was the brand again?
This one is Premium Shield.
And it's got a, you have to explain that again to me, that. It's a low healing temperature of...
It's the self-healing ability of the film. Premium Shield will heal itself as low as 16 degrees Celsius. Yeah.
So what's the plan now?
Put some nice pretty PPF on this cage for you to keep it shiny.
Is there any special prep work you got to do, or just straight on?
We've got a surface cleaner. So we'll give it a good surface cleaner, we'll soak it down, try and reduce any dust contamination, and we'll apply it.
Brilliant.
There we go.
I'll let you crack on then.
Just give me a chance. I know that we can find our love again. Now hear me, just one more dance, 'cause I know we can make it right again. And I know you're the one I've been looking for, and I know you're the one for me. So baby, I'm reaching out for your love. If you really
Right, so it's been a few days now since this PPF got applied. I've just got back from work. It's nice and dark outside. But yeah, so I've let this this coating settle now, and I'm totally gobsmacked by it, to be honest with you. It's the best money I've spent in a long time. I say it's not a cheap process, but when you see a professional doing it after you've had a go yourself, you see what you're getting for your money. But I'll just let you have a little look. So this has all been done. So believe it or not, that's got the protection on it. All that's got the protection on it. That bar's all protected. The same on that side. I don't know if you can just see this line, but that's how it's all settled. Same on that crossbar. The upright. There's just a couple of little bits on the ever so slight bits where I've got a bit of welding splatter, which I didn't clean off, which is my own fault. But even so, it just looks like welding splatter. You wouldn't think there's actually protective film protecting the splatter. But if anyone's in the same situation and they're getting a roll cage, I didn't like the look of those the big foam protection you can get. I'm just not into that at all. I know it's really helpful for your helmet to stop it getting when you're getting in and out of the car, you can bang your scratch the helmet or scratch the cage. But I just don't like the look of it, especially the way the cage looks now. So I'm just really happy that it's protected and you can't tell it's protected. I mean, it's exactly what I was after. So if you've got a cage, you want the same thing doing, I cannot recommend getting the PPF enough. It is absolutely outstanding. So a massive shout out to Wizards of Detailing from Wrexham. I'll put a link in the description. And I'm sure we'll be going back to them for some more work shortly. Potentially wrapping the car, which is another thing for the future, which will be happening, but that's a long way off yet. Hopefully not too long, but a lot more jobs to be done first. But yeah, only a short video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon.